On the rise above Park Road, where the town exhales into open sky, Park Cemetery rests in a hush of trees and weathered stone. Here, Ilkeston's story is not written in books, but in names, dates, and the soft crumble of time. Paths wind gently between memories. Marble angels keep their silent watch, and the old chapels, proud, symmetrical, like guardians of the past, stand in quiet conversation with the years. Every headstone is a doorway, a miner, a mother, a soldier, a child. Lives once bright with laughter, labour and hope, now held in the stillness of this place, where the wind carries only the faintest echo of who they were. Among the stones lie Ilkeston's makers and keepers, musicians, mayors, craftsmen, storytellers, people who shaped the rhythm of the town. Their resting places are not grand monuments, but gentle reminders that history is made of ordinary lives. In the war graves, rows of pale stones stand like folded wings. Young men who left home with the courage in their pockets and never returned to walk these paths again. Their silence is deep but never forgotten. And yet, Park Cemetery is not only a place of endings, it's a living landscape, a sanctuary for birds and drifting leaves, and anyone seeking a moment of stillness, a place where grief softens and where memory becomes something tender. As you walk here, you walk through Ilkeston itself, through its sorrows, its triumphs, its families and its future. Park Cemetery is a quiet keeper of the town's soul, a place where time slows and where every stone whispers a story.